Hi all dear friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable keyboard sounds on iPhone. Before starting our video, be sure friends subscribe to the channel, put likes, and don't forget friends to write your comments. So let's get started. What would you do? On your iPhone, please find and open Settings. Now, please scroll down to the bottom of the settings and find the section called Sounds and Vibrations. After that, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and you'll find the keyboard. Click on that and look, there's two sections. The first one is Sounds and the second one is Vibration. So you can turn off the sounds. If you have a button in front of the sounds that's glowing green, just click on it. That way, the next time you type something on the keyboard, you won't hear any sounds. Just exit back out now and your changes will be saved. That's the simple and quick method you can disable keyboard sounds on iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.